Hi folks, welcome back. You are watching my video on solving Rubik's Cube made easy step 4. In this step we'll solve this cube to get a yellow cross on yellow face. Before start solving this step, we need to have both the bottom and the middle layer completed like this. Both the bottom layer and the middle layer are completed. Similarly for this, the bottom and middle layer are completed. And here, in order to start solving this, we need to verify the state of the cube we have. If you check this cube, we have only the center piece as yellow, and if you check this, we have the complete cross on yellow face. So if you have a complete cross, you can skip this step, because this particular step is to get an yellow cross on the yellow face. If you already have an yellow cross on this with the bottom two layers completed, you can skip this step 4 and you can go ahead with step 5. That I'll explain in my next video. So we'll see what are all the different cases that we can have on this particular cube if we don't have an yellow cross after solving step 3. So this is one of my PowerPoint presentation slide which I have taken the printout. Here we have 4 different cases. This is case 1, this is case 2, and this is case 3, and this is case 4. So based upon the case, we need to perform the operation, I mean to say that we need to perform the rotations or the moves that we need to perform to get this yellow cross on top layer. So if you have an dot, I mean to say that yellow center on the top layer. If you see this cube, this particular cube has yellow center, but not this one and not this one. This is a horizontal line if we take this as a front face. Similarly, we need to take this as a front face. This is the front face, likewise. So if we have this particular state, if we have the cube in this particular state, then we need to perform an algorithm that I have stated here to get this particular cube this way. So if we have a cube like this, then perform an algorithm to change the cube into this way. So once after performing the algorithm once, this kind of cube will change to this, and again if we perform the same algorithm again, holding the cube like this. So I mean to say that you need to hold the cube like this, such a way that this particular face is a front face. So you need to have a horizontal line like this. So if you perform the same algorithm once again, then the cube will change it to case 3. So in this case 3, you need to have a reverse L shape like this. If you see the cube taking this as a front face, and if you perform the same algorithm again on this particular cube holding like this with this face as a front face, then this cube will turn into this. So all the other individual cubes, I haven't marked it in any color, because irrespective of all these colors, we'll get these kind of shapes on top layer. Okay, so we need to perform the moves based on the case that we see once we solve step 3. So after you solve the cube step 3, if you find this particular state on the cube, then you need to perform this particular algorithm once, twice and thrice. If you perform this algorithm thrice, then you will get a you will get a yellow cross. Similarly, if you have this case after solving step 3, in that case you need to perform the algorithm twice. This is once and then twice. If you have this case after solving step 3, then you need to hold the cube like this and then perform this algorithm once. That's it. You will get this yellow cross. So we'll see how we can solve step 4 using this cube. Since the cube is in case 1, so we need to go to case 2, case 3 and case 4 in order to get an yellow cross on top layer. So we need to perform this algorithm 3 times. So we'll see the algorithm. So the algorithm is F T R T I R I F I. F means front face clockwise 90 degrees. T means top face clockwise 90 degrees. R means right face clockwise 90 degrees. Top face anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Right face anti-clockwise 90 degrees and front face anti-clockwise 90 degrees. This is the algorithm. You can make a note of it, and we'll see how we can solve this step 4 on this cube. Here we have this cube in case 1. So we can hold the cube anyway. So I'm just holding it like this, and then I'm performing the algorithm. The algorithm is front clockwise, and then top clockwise, and then the right clockwise, and then the top anti-clockwise, and then the right anti-clockwise, and then front anti-clockwise. I have performed the algorithm, and the bottom 2 layers are exactly what we have it in after this before performing this algorithm. So we haven't disturbed the bottom 2 layers, but on the top layer we got a horizontal line, which is a case 2. So after performing the algorithm once, the case 1 has got transformed into case 2. Now we need to perform the algorithm again on this cube, holding the cube in such a way that we see a horizontal line on the middle layer. So we should not hold a cube like this, taking this as a front face, because we are not we don't have the horizontal yellow line. So you should hold like this so that you can see a horizontal line on yellow face, taking this as a front face, or you can hold like this, because even from this side we are able to see the horizontal line. So okay, let us take this red face as the front face, and then we'll perform the move algorithm. So again performing the algorithm states front clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and then front anti-clockwise. So after performing this algorithm, the bottom 2 layers are again not disturbed, but on the top layer we got a reverse L. If you are not able to see the reversal shape, like taking this as a front face, just rotate it. Yes, if you take this as a front face, we are able to see the reversal shape. Now we need to perform the algorithm again, taking this as the front face, because from this face we are able to see the reversal shape. So taking this as the front face, perform the algorithm to get a yellow cross on top layer. So I am performing the algorithm again. Front clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, and then front anti-clockwise. So the bottom two layers are not disturbed and we got an yellow cross on top layer. Just don't bother about these corner pieces. We just need to get an yellow cross. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.